In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy chart in TradingView. By the end, you'll know how to duplicate an entire chart layout, save a shared or public chart to your own account, and copy specific drawings or indicators between charts, all without losing your setup. First, let's duplicate your current layout. Start by opening the exact chart you want to copy with the time frame, indicators, and drawings already in place. Look to the top right of the platform where your chart layout name appears. Click the small drop-down arrow next to that name. From the menu that opens, choose Make a Copy. TradingView will create a duplicate layout instantly and save it to your account. It's a good idea to rename this new layout right away so you can tell it apart. Something like EURUSD, Clean Copy, or Strategy Test of 2. This duplicate preserves your existing chart settings, drawings, indicators, and visual style, so you can experiment safely without touching the original. Next, let's copy a shared or public chart into your account. Open the chart you found via a shared link or in the public library. On that page, look for the Share icon or the button labeled Make It Mine. Click it, and TradingView will save a copy of that chart to your account. From there, you're free to customize it, add or remove indicators, and adjust timeframes. Keep in mind that if the chart uses invite-only or premium indicators, you'll need appropriate access for those to load correctly. Otherwise, everything that's public on the chart will be brought into your copy. Finally, let's copy specific elements like drawings or indicators from one chart to another. Right-click anywhere on your chart and open the object tree. This panel lists all drawings and indicators currently on the chart. Find the exact item you want to move, say a trend line, a Fibonacci retracement, or a custom indicator. Then right-click it and choose Copy. Switch to your target chart and paste. The element will appear with the same properties it had before. If something doesn't line up, check your symbol, time frame, and scale settings so anchor points land where you expect. After pasting, consider locking important drawings to avoid accidental shifts. That's it. Duplicate your layout for safe experimentation. So use Make It Mine or the Share icon to bring public charts into your library and use the object tree to copy just the elements you need. This approach keeps your workflow organized and your analysis consistent. Happy charting!